Hello, students. Welcome back to the GRADE Syllabus Hub. Today we are going to cover a very exciting and important topic in grade 9 mathematics, prime factorization. I know that when large square roots or complex numbers appear in exams, many students get nervous and their confidence drops. But believe me, after today, that will not happen, because inside these difficult numbers, there is a hidden, beautiful, simple structure just waiting to be discovered. Let's just pause for a second and imagine. Exactly as everything in our vast physical world, every single piece of matter, from the screen you are looking at right now, to the very air we breathe here in Lahore, is made up of microscopic, indivisible tiny atoms. In the very same way, prime numbers act as the basic, fundamental building blocks in the universe of mathematics. Every large, intimidating, and scary composite number that you see on your exam paper is actually made up of these small, friendly, and manageable prime factors. For example, a number like 30 might look like a solid, hard block, but it's really just 2, 3, and 5 holding hands. Slight warm chuckle when we clearly see this basic structure. All the fear, anxiety, and confusion of math completely disappear, and we start seeing the beautiful patterns underneath. By mastering and using prime factorization, we can simplify the most difficult, complex square roots and solve incredibly long algebraic expressions so efficiently. Students, but please remember, this is not just a shortcut or a cheap trick to memorize for your finals. No, it is a powerful, elegant method based on logical mathematical principles that have been carefully developed and refined over many centuries. This rich history also includes the hard work, brilliant insights, and immense contributions of our great mathematician, Al-Khwarizmi. Without his foundational work in algebra, breaking down these equations would be nearly impossible. What we are learning today is actually pure logic, passed down through generations. Breaking down numbers into their prime factors not only improves your daily calculation skills and speed, but it also fundamentally strengthens your analytical mathematical thinking and your overall problem-solving abilities. Your brain actually learns to get to the root of things, dissecting a problem piece by piece, just like a professional expert or a scientist. So now, we don't have to make wild guesses in our exams, nor do we just stare at the paper hoping the answer magically appears. We have the tools to solve complex equations step by step, with absolute mathematical precision and full confidence. All you need is a pen, some paper, and the right concept in your mind. So, take a deep breath, and let's begin our journey into this fascinating world of prime factorization.